Hey everyone, for your homework tonight, you are going to do the test practice to play around with the tools on the Experience Online Testing Georgia. So the first thing you do is go to this website up here. It is www.gaexperienceonline.com. I also link that to Canvas. Once you're there, you're going to click this green button that says Test Practice. That'll take you to this site. You're going to use the end of course winter, spring, and summer main. You're going to click on Online Tools Training. Then you're going to click EOC Test Practice, and a little set of options will show up for you. The one that we're going to use is the Standard Online Tools. And it's going to open a practice test for you. It says, sign in with the following username and password. Your username is Georgia High School, password is training. So I'm going to type that in. It should be the same for you as well. Password training with a capital T, and hit sign in. So it says, welcome training student. Before you begin, please confirm the test name is this, student session is this, GTID, it's just made up. Obviously, when you take your milestone, it will have the actual score in there. Go ahead and hit the green continue button, and again they're telling you you're scheduled for training. We're going to take the high school practice test, and it's going to load this data here. Go through and read these test directions. I know it's really easy to just skim over them, but actually read what they're going to say to you. Click through, again, read what it's talking about. Those are important. I'm actually going to give you have a little Go formative to do at the end of this, and it's going to ask you what these items are. So please make sure that you actually read what's going on. Once you're there, you can hit Begin Test, and of course you can answer whatever answer you want for all of these, but I want you to practice using these online tools up here. The one I was referencing earlier was the graphing tool, which is pretty cool. Let's say you wanted to graph like 8x squared. When you hit graph, it actually shows you a graph of that, and if you hover over, you can see points on the graph. You can also adjust what you want your minimum and maximum to be, so watch how that changes. That's pretty cool. So again, along with playing around with these online tools, you have a short Go formative to figure out or to work on, which is just asking you, what function did you plug into the equation builder? What does this button mean? What does this button mean? So on and so forth. So go ahead and go through the practice test. Once you're done, answer those questions on Go formative.